Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram camera problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open settings, and then you need to go into the app management, and then you need to click on app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram. And once Instagram is searched, you simply need to click on storage and cache, and then you need to click on clear cache and clear storage. Once you done that, then you need to check the permissions that you can see that give all the permissions like you can see that microphone, location and camera. Then you need to go back, and then you need to log in your Instagram account, and then you need to click on your story and click on camera, and here you can see that it is working. So this is a process by which you can fix Instagram camera problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.